Abijah. Come here. What's that interesting side? Where's the interesting side? This is Evia trying to figure out how to get into quadruped and to crawl. She can get up and she starts doing like a bunny hop, but she can't quite figure it out. Now she's getting annoyed. I think she's just tired.